Curious about the 2024 Jeep Compass cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols really mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The 2024 Jeep Compass dashboard features a sleek design with a 10.1-inch touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, and modern controls for an intuitive driving experience. It features a 10.1-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect 5, offering sharp graphics, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and intuitive controls. It features a fully digital instrument cluster with customizable displays, providing real-time vehicle data, navigation, and driver assistance alerts. It features an ergonomic gear shifter with a modern design, offering smooth transitions and intuitive operation for a seamless driving experience. It features a leather-wrapped steering wheel with integrated controls, offering a comfortable grip and easy access to cruise, audio, and driver assist functions. It features a dual-zone automatic climate control system with intuitive touch and physical controls, ensuring personalized comfort for both driver and passengers. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system, engine temperature, battery charge, oil pressure, engine check, electric park brake, anti-lock brake system, door open, electric power steering system, low fuel level, seat belt reminder, electronic throttle control, hood open, active lane management, drowsiness detected, liftgate open, oil temperature, transmission fault, transmission temperature, electronic stability control, fuel cutoff, fuel level sensor failure, low coolant level, turn signal indicator lights, low washer fluid, tail light indicator, headlight high beam indicator, automatic high beam indicator, service forward collision, cruise control indicator, tire pressure monitoring system, service stop start system, service four-wheel drive lock, four-wheel drive low, auto hold, immobilizer fail, VPS electrical alarm, adaptive cruise control set indicator, front fog indicator, parking/headlights, sport mode, Stop Start Active, Idle Coasting Indicator, Airbag, High Beam Indicator Light, Hill Descent Control.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General Instrument Cluster Symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.